Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to print with grid lines in Excel. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. As you can see, by default Microsoft Excel doesn't print grid lines. To add them, do the following. Go to the Page Layout tab and click this little arrow here. This is a page setup. Next, we need the Sheet tab, click it and select the grid lines checkbox here. Checking if the grid lines have appeared, click Print Preview, and as you can see, the grid lines have appeared. It remains only to print. If the thickness of the grid lines is insufficient and you need to make it more visible, then select the entire data range and click the Borders button. In the drop-down list, click Line Style, select the thickest line. Next, we can choose the color of this line if you have a color printer, and most importantly, now click on all borders and the thick grid lines will appear, which we can clearly see in the print menu. It's all, now you know a little more.